do the camo glitch, you're going to have two assault rifles, same gun, but with different camos. One with holographic and one with red dot. Then go on the map. One sec. Choose your one with the red dot first. Choose one with the red dot first. Get to the highest point of the map by going up this ladder. When you're up there, change your gun to your other Scar H with a different colour or the other control. Jump off the building and die. You have this gun. Oh yeah, I forgot to say you got to have a grenade launcher. When you flip the grenade launcher, wait a minute, what gun do you want? Have a gun. Find your other dead body. See, this is my dead body. Find your dead body. Change to your secondary gun. Pick that gun up. When you go onto the grenade launcher, the gun will change colour. You can see it's a little bit red. If it's red, change to white, change to red, change to white. You can add me on the PS3. My name is BonyBoy99. No caps or anything. Thanks, please subscribe. Yes, but